V-22 Osprey, Musterek Kulanimli, Sok Garevli Askari tiltrotor. Helicopter al Yukak Arasinda Burgesses Formunasa Hipter. Daiki, VTOL, VE Kisa, STOL, Kulkis Yet Niji Varder. Jelenexel Helicopter Lair Wygun Gorovlari Turboprop Ukaklar Daki Jibi Daha Uzin Menzel VE Yuksek Hisli Cyril Jursa Cluster Mek Isen Tasser Lamister. Bell Helicopter Textron Terrafinden, Boeing Helicopters Partner Legend Gelistromister. N. Baya Kulanisilary ABD Denise Piadelary. Primary function, amphibious assault transport of troops, equipment and supplies from assault ships and land bases. Manufacturer, Bell Boeing. The V-22 Osprey is a multi-engine, dual-piloted, self-deployable, medium-lift, vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, tiltrotor aircraft designed for combat, combat support, combat service support, and special operations missions worldwide. It will replace the Corps' aged fleet of CH-46E and CH-53D medium-lift helicopters. Unit replacement cost, unit cost, FY05 TY unit recurring flyaway costs $71.3 million. Mission, Marine Corps Assault Support. Variants, the CV-22 will be utilized by the Air Force and SOCOM for special operations missions maintaining maximum commonality with the MV-22. Aircraft avionics peculiar to Air Force/SOCOM unique mission requirements constitute primary aircraft differences. The Navy will use the HV-22 for combat search and rescue and fleet logistics support. Deployed to, the MV-22 will be transitioned to all Marine Corps Medium Lift Active Duty and Reserve Tactical Squadrons, the Medium Lift Training Squadron, FRS, and the Executive Support Squadron, HMX. They will deploy as required in a similar manner that current medium lift units are deployed. IOC is FY07. Dimensions: spread/folded. Length, 57 foot 4 inch length, 63.0. Width, 84 foot 7 inch width, 18.5. Height, 22 foot 7 inch height, 8.3. Takeoff weights: vertical takeoff/landing, VTOL, 52,600 lb. Short takeoff/landing, STOL, 57,000 lb. Self-deploy STO, 60,500 lb. Key performance parameters: MV-22 OP-eval demonstrated values in parentheses. OP-eval was conducted from March to June 2005 and found to be operationally effective, operationally suitable and recommended for fleet introduction. Mission range: amphibious pre-assault raid 200 nanometers, 230 nanometers. Amphibious external lift with 10,000 pounds load 50 nanometers, 50 nanometers. Land assault external lift 50 nanometers, 69 nanometers. Troop seating: 24 combat troops, 24 combat troops. Self-deployment 2,100 nanometers, 2,113 nanometers. Cruise airspeed: MV-22 240 kts, 255 kts. CV-22 230 kts. Aerial refueling capable and shipboard compatible.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more up-to-date news.